Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this LC-dolida sleep headphones. It's a Bluetooth headband. Wireless, baby. These are a headband with headphones within HD speakers. Soft, long-time play sports while we make sports, or we can make a perfect for side sleepers or sport, yoga, and traveling. This LC-dolida sleep headphones features a breathable headband design with a wireless headphone inside that allows us to listen to music without having to wear additional headphones and protects us from being disturbed by our messy hair and sweat. Sleep well with this headband. This is a perfect, suitable for travel, for gym, for running, for yoga, and as well, of course, for sleeping. The LC-dolida sleep headband has an integrated headphones. The earpiece into a soft fabric headband for extra comfort, and the speakers are so thin that we can't feel them even if we press our head against the pillow. These are perfect sleep headphones for side sleepers. We choose LC-dolida sleep headphones to keep us away from noisy environmental and have a sweet dream. And this headband features with the latest Bluetooth 5.2 chip, fast pairing speed, less power consumption. Bluetooth headband pairs with any Bluetooth-enabled device that within 45 feet. It's compatible with the most devices out there. We ensure a stable, clear sound and lose less music even if the headphones are used in sports. The LC-dolida Bluetooth headband can charged fully in only 2 hours. The talk time, music playback time can reach up to 13 hours. And these headbands are nestled into an extremely stretchy and breathable fabric that's not only soft but also very skin friendly. And it will easily stretch to fit all the head sizes out there. Because the earphones can be detached, we can wash and dry the Bluetooth headband in any household machine without damaging the speakers. And it's really easy. The music headband we can remove. That means we are using or checking for the USB charger, then we pull it out. The model is blocked to take out. We find a small opening around the model. We take it out with the fingers and forefingers. Then the Bluetooth module is taken out. We can easily disconnect this and continue. We continue to pull the wire out. The speakers is blocked to take out. We find a small opening around it and take it out with the fingers and the forefingers. And after this process, it took out. And then we use the same step to take another speaker out. Finally, we can clean our headband because all electronic components are removed. The LC-dolida comes with the Bluetooth version 5.2. Extra charging is DC 5 volt. The charging port is a Type C charging. The battery is a 3.7 volt, 150 ampere hours. And the battery type is a polymer lithium battery. The charging time is 1 up to 2 hours, and the continuous playtime is more than 8 hours. And of course, we can easily use it. Turn on and off. We press and hold the multifunction button for 1.5 seconds to turn it on. The blue light flashes quickly and enter repair modes. Press and hold the multifunction button for 3 seconds to turn it off, and a complement by a tone. Bluetooth pairing is easy, as you can see in that video. Once the headband is on and pair mode, we turn on our phone's Bluetooth and find the name LC-dolida. We select it and connect it. When the battery charge is low, a red light will flash continuously. When the headband is being charged, the red light stays on until charge is completed. When the charging is complete, the headband will automatically shut down and can be turned on after we unplug it from the charging cable. And then we can make a voice call, for example. The headband offers a single click multifunction button to answer or hang up an incoming calls. That means we use the multifunction button to prepare this. And of course we can play music with it. And we can wear it. We hold the speakers on both sides on the headband with both hands. We spread the headband and put the front of our headband on our forehead. Then we deck the end of the headband to the back of our head to adjust the headband. The circular areas on the side of the headband should be aligned with the center of our ears, resulting in the best sound quality, of course. So, you see, the LC-dolida sleep headphones Bluetooth headband makes a good job while you like to sleep or while you like to have a good wireless sports headphones band while you are going to work out. It is on the market in different colors available, and it makes a good job, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.